Chef Buck here, and today we're going to whip up some sweet potato hummus. It's kind of exactly like regular hummus, you're just substituting sweet potato. And I'm using kind of a medium-sized sweet potato, you know, about the same amount that would fit in a can. So we're going to prepare this just like we would a regular hummus recipe, except we're going to substitute sweet potato for the beans. And I've got two, since I'm doing a double recipe, I've got two cooked sweet potatoes. You can cook it in the oven, you can cook it in the microwave. I didn't butter them up or oil them up. It's just plain Jane cooked sweet potato. Throw that in there, boom, boom, boom. And then we got some garlic and then tahini. And I like to go a little bit overboard with the tahini because I don't want it to end up being just like a sweet potato puree. I want it to be kind of savory. So a little extra tahini isn't going to hurt. Then I got a little bit of fresh lemon juice. Since I used fresh lemon juice, you know, I've got some of the lemon zest. And then some olive oil.
Extra virgin.
Yep, this is a thick extra virgin olive oil. We'll put about a half a teaspoon of salt in there. And that's all there is to it. Now we just got to blend it up. Alrighty. Smooth enough for me. I don't mind having a little bit of chunks in here. Let me give a taste test here. It's a little thicker than I want it to be, so to thin it out, I'm going to add a spoonful of water here. Well, I'll add 2 spoons to get it started. Just to add water by the spoonful. So I think that's going to be it. So give this sweet potato hummus recipe a try. Go over to myfoodchannel.com. Check out all the recipes over there. Thanks for watching and subscribing, and we'll see you in the future.